What's up guys, welcome back to the brand new video. Hope you're doing great, and today we're gonna be watching some more idiots in cars. This is also the last episode for 2023, of course. This year was incredible, so I want to thank every single one of you for being part of this amazing journey and for being the best audience ever. So now, with that being said, let's just sit back, relax and enjoy today's video. Alrighty, let's see what's in store for us today. Oh great, now I can't even use "this is why aliens don't want to visit" as a joke anymore. And of course, some people would say aliens aren't real. Then explain this. Bro is even following the traffic rules. But what happens if he crashes? Does he call the space insurance or something like that? I don't know. Oh, this guy must be a favorite person in his neighborhood. No! Hold it! Oh, bro just managed to change the color of his pants right there. That was way too close. And speaking of which, this guy just got off a Mustang. But he knows what he's doing because the primary target is always the crowd. Let's see. Oh, there goes another one. Look at this. But it looks like this truck decided to steal the show. Come on now, it's time to deploy some power. Let's go. This is how the clouds are created. That was good.
I, for one, am impressed.
Me too, bro. Me too. Let's see if this Ford is gonna remain focused. Turn left to go right, turn left to go right, and his friend got a little bit carried away and he's got a pole position. Or assigned position, I don't know how to call it. Maybe both, who knows. On to the next one, let's see here. Oh, you cheeky little sausage. At least he used a little bit of power to not bother anyone, so maybe it was an honest mistake, maybe he just picked the wrong lane. In case you were wondering why your package hasn't arrived yet, now you know the answer. And this right here is called BMW VIP waiting area. And of course it's a premium subscription like basically everything else on a BMW. But it's not as premium as the indicator subscription, maybe that's why they're not using it. Who knows? Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Are you a bike?
No, he's a pony.
Is that a bicycle? What? Is that a bicycle? Bro, is that a bicycle? It's a bicycle lane.
I love this guy. He's a legend. But on the other hand, maybe that Mustang identifies as a bicycle, so who knows. Oh, and they kiss. This is one of those kisses you definitely don't want to get. Whoa, chill BMW, what's wrong? Talk to us, who hurt you? He's like, this is my petrol pump. Whoa, this one is really mad. Or maybe he just didn't pay some sort of the subscription to the BMW and now the car is going berserk. Helicopter, helicopter. This is how you find a parking spot. With a lot of style, of course. Oh, this guy's unleashing all of his angry diesel horsepower into everybody's face. And if you know why are people doing this stuff, please let me know, because I have no clue. And before we continue, I just want to give a huge shout out to our boy Fabian here, because he recently passed his driving test. So congrats, man, and yeah, just don't end up in one of these videos. That's the best advice I can give you, bro. And also, please don't use a lot of power in the first year or two, because you need to get some experience first. And also, this goes for all of the new drivers out there. Please don't get too confident. No matter how good you think you are, you're not, believe me. You have to drive a lot of miles before you become good, so take it easy and enjoy the process.
Get in the foul flank.
Oh, what happened here? That's why I don't like being around big trucks. Hey yo! You're drawing too much attention for a free candy van. Dingleberry. No, 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 don't pull out. I saw from a mile away what's gonna happen. And that's why it's so important to know when to pull out. And his name is John Cena. Honey, I'm almost home. Bro was almost there. Stop, stop, stop. Ooh. Meanwhile in the NPC world. But now seriously, if you confuse the throttle with the brake pedal, that's a good sign you need to stop driving immediately. Oh, hello there, Mr. Elbows Out. That was a nice 360, by the way. And this is what we call: you play stupid games, you win stupid prizes. I don't know why he did what he did, but I guess we'll never know. I hear the reverse gear whining. Come on now, power, body reverse, and yeah, that was well parked. On to the next one we go. Peekaboo! No, 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 no! That was close. It's very easy to get carried away on a road like this, but this guy reacted, let's say, okay. Stop! Brake! 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 Dearie me. This was close, but not as close as the BMW tailgating you. And this guy here just pulled a dingleberry move. And it's lights out and away we go. These guys placed a bet at who loses drives a Prius. And to be honest, nobody wants to lose that race, so Kia decided to play dirty and crashes into Bronco. Or a Jeep, I don't know what it is. And now the judges are gonna review the footage and disqualify the Kia. Oh no, 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 no! Oh, for God's sake. And of course, it's the whole package. He's gonna run away. Unbelievable. And what is this? Am I tripping or somebody's really driving a house in the middle of the road? I guess the saying you can sleep in a race car but you cannot race a house goes down the drain. And now the police is like, Captain, I just pulled over a house. He doesn't have plates. He doesn't have number plates. And this one doesn't have any brains. But yeah, just imagine pulling over a house for reckless driving. Funny, right? Whoa. Come on, man. Just because your indicator is on, that doesn't mean you can go, bro. They just go and hope that the other person is gonna stop, but that's ridiculous. Here comes the green Dodge and ooh, when they were giving away common sense, this guy was out of town. But anyways, moving on to the next one. Uh-oh, U-Haul coming in hot and ooh, it quickly became U-Crash. I don't know why, but U-Haul trucks are a menace for society, basically. And stop! Hammer time! I always knew the Hummer is the kind of car you cannot miss. And I was right. That guy definitely didn't miss it. Oh, that was a pole position. But at least he tried to avoid the dashcam car, which is good. Oh, no, no, no. What did you expect, bro? That thing was tied with hopes and dreams, basically. No, I'm speed, baby. And he's not anymore, and now he's heading straight to the one-to-one appointment with that wall. There is a place and time for everything, and this was not a place nor the time for this. At least he's still in one piece as far as I can see. But anyways, we are moving on to the next one. Oh, hello. No, no, no.
Damn it!
Now the alien that we saw earlier in the video decided he wants to go back home. He was way too optimistic about this place. He was like, abort mission, they're not ready yet. We need to go back. Whoa, 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 whoa. What was that on the road? Actually, I know what it is. Someone's stupidity has fallen out again. People do highway speeds and still expect their things not to fall out. That is incredibly stupid. Oof, that was a T-bone and a half. I think that little car is at fault, because I didn't see any signs. This guy is either a fool or a marketing genius. His boss was like, take this car and do questionable things in traffic and we're gonna be famous in no time. Ooh, hoo, 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 hoo. Ooh, that won't buff off. Here we are in a roundabout, a well-known place for the best drivers in this world. Just like this one. Come on, man, you know better than that. I don't know when people are gonna learn that the truck needs more space. It's not like a car. Whoa! Ka-chow! That was an epic 180 though.
Oh, I got it on camera too.
Oh, that truck just became one with the roadworks.
Oh yeah, 'cause you're smart.
And on that note, guys, it's time to wrap up this video and this whole amazing year. But first I want to give huge shout out to all the channel members, and I also want to thank every single one of you for the overwhelming support, because if it wasn't for you guys, all of this wouldn't be possible, of course. And I'm so happy and grateful to see how far we come together so far, and I'm sure this is only the beginning. So the only thing left to do for me now is to wish you all the best in 2024. I wish you lots of success and good health. Also spend some quality time with your loved ones, and with that, 2023 season comes to an end. Happy New Year, guys. I love you all, and I will see you very soon. Take care. Ciao, ciao.